Now let's talk about like how exactly we can install and configure Tomcat Apache. Now Tomcat Apache is one of the popular web server which is available for the Java based application. So the war files and the ER files are actually getting deployed to the Tomcat Apache there. It's a web-based application or web server, which means like if you want to deploy your web application, so that in that case you will be going for the Tomcat Apache. So using the Tomcat Apache, you can deploy both static or dynamic websites or applications. So that's one thing which you're going to follow. You're going to consider over here. When it comes to the Tomcat Apache, so we are just trying to understand that how the actual applications we can deploy, we can roll it out over here. These applications we are trying to understand that how these setups or these integrations we can perform, we can do it over here. Now when it comes to the particular Tomcat Apache, so whether it's a static website or whether it's a dynamic website, so we will be able to deploy it over here. If it's a static application, it's very easy for us to do that. But if it's a dynamic website like a servlet based website, so that also we can deploy to the Tomcat Apache. But both the deploys can be fully automated with the Jenkins, because as far as the Jenkins is concerned, Jenkins is having certain plugins which is having direct integrations to deploy to Tomcat Apache. So using the Jenkins, you can very easily deploy to the Tomcat Apache and you can get the desired output.